right, welcome back to Miss B Makes It Easier, and we're moving along, and we're gonna have some fun tonight with graphing. So we're not doing any gradient of the line or anything. We just want to make sure that we can plot our points. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun doing that. And so here we have a table with about 29 points. And it says table showing the x and the y coordinates to be used to determine the mystery shape. And this is what I gave my second form class. And anybody could do it, even if you're in third, fourth, fifth, or if you're a grown up and you have problems plotting, you can engage in this tonight and see if you could plot. And then you would know if you could plot really well if you determine the mystery shape. So let's get started. Don't want to make this video too long, so let's get started. So remember, this is our y axis and this is our x axis. So the y axis always goes up or vertical, and the x axis, just remember the horizon, it goes across. It goes from left to right, and the y goes from top to bottom, or vice versa. So we put 0 here and we look at our range. Now the range for x is from 0 to 18. So let's see if we can go from there. So I know every 10 spaces is less than 18. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And since every 10 spaces has 5 spaces in it, if you have 9, then you must have exactly 18 going across here. So let's get started. So every 5 is going to be 1. And we're going to move up in increments of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then we have 18 right here. Awesome. So now let's look at the range for y. So y looks like the highest number must be 24, and the lowest number looks like it is looks like 6. Well, let's go. We start from 0, and so we go from here to here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So every 2 spaces costs 13 times 2 is 26, and the highest is 24. So we are good to go. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I forgot that this graph has that funny lip. So that's why it's not 26. It has that extra 5 spaces without this up here. So that's why it's 25. Everything has these two 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Then we have this extra 5 up here, so that's why it's 25. All right, now we're gonna get our, as we say in saying kits, our clear ruler, but wherever you are, you're probably saying transparent, but that's just our local twang. So get with us tonight. And we're gonna draw our lines. We're gonna darken our lines for the x-axis, put our arrow, and we're gonna darken our lines for the y-axis. So you want to make sure that the line directly there. If you're not too good or too keen on using a pen, then use a pencil. You don't have to use a pen to plot, but I'm going to, because it's brighter I don't get lost. So our first point is 0 to 24. So 0 is our x value and 24 is our y value. That's the first point. Our second point is 1 to 21. So 1 to 21. Third point, 2 to 24. 24. Next point is 2 to 20. So here we have 2 to 20. Because it's so many points, you have to be careful. So you move, I'm going to move my cursor along. So 2 to 12. Next point, 2 to 10. Next point, 3 to 19. So I'm going along with 3 and I'm going to look for 19. So we plot in here. Next point, we have 4 to 24. Next point, 4 to 18. Next point, 4 to 14. Next point, 4 to 8. Next point, 6 to 22. Next point, 6 to 16. Next point, 6 to 6. Next point, 8 to 20. Next point, 8 to 16. Next point, 10 to 20. Next point, 10 to 16. Next point, 10 to 8. Next point, 11 to 10. Next point, 12 to 22. Next point, 12 to 19. Next point, 12 to 14. Next point, 12 to 12. Next point, 14 to 24. Next point is 14 to 20. Next point, 16 to 24. So we almost finished. Yay. Next point, 16 to 22. Next point is 18 to 24. So now, remember it was table showing the x and y coordinates to be used to determine the mystery shape. So to determine the mystery shape, you have to connect all the points in a continuous motion. All right, connect them, and then you see what the mystery shape is. So I'm gonna start. I'm kind of gonna tell you, do you see what it is? Isn't this cool? I hope while you're doing this along with me, you're having all the fun that I'm having. So the mystery shape looks like a rabbit. It's a rabbit. So we're gonna write the graph title. So graph showing the values used to determine the mystery shape which was the head of a bunny. Yay! So, all right. I hope you got this. Good night, folks, and see you on the flip side.